The Prophet ﷺ said, "Know that victory comes with patience, not with speed, not with ease, with patience." Allah says in Surah Zumur 39:10, "Indeed, the patient will be given their reward without limit," meaning your patience is already being rewarded even before the outcome arrives. Section 3. When silence feels like rejection. The hardest test in life is not hardship, it is silence. You pray, you beg Allah, you cry, and nothing seems to happen. Shaitan whispers, "See? Allah is ignoring you." But Allah's silence is not abandonment. It is protection. It is redirection. It is preparation. Sometimes Allah delays what you want because He is preparing what you truly need. Sometimes a no from Allah is really a hidden yes to something better, deeper, more lasting. We only understand this later.